Hello my fellow insurables, I'm Kelly with Arrow Final Expense, and today we're going to go over converting your term life insurance to permanent life insurance. And stay tuned till the end when you learn about one of the most unique factors when you convert your policy to permanent life insurance. Now, most of you that are watching probably know that term life insurance is going to provide temporary coverage for a set period of years, typically 10, 20, or even 30 years. So if you do have a term policy that has a convertible or a conversion option, you can convert or exchange that temporary term coverage for permanent coverage. And why would someone decide to convert to permanent life insurance coverage? Some people realize that their circumstances have changed and that they'll need life insurance coverage that will last them the rest of their life. Fortunately, converting your term life insurance policy into permanent coverage is easier than applying for a completely new policy. Also, you may be able to convert your policy at any time during that term, whereas some insurers may require you to convert by a certain time frame, such as the first 10 years of the policy or by a certain age. I remember when I was first licensed and working in a call center doing final expense life insurance, and a gentleman called in saying that his term policy was going to end at the age of 80, and he could either convert to a whole life policy or he was going to have to purchase a completely new policy. And when you do convert to permanent coverage, your premiums are going to increase. Now, permanent life insurance is going to be more expensive than term life insurance because of the cash value that builds inside the policy and also because of some of the living benefits that may be included. The premium you pay will be affected by the type of permanent coverage you choose. So a whole life policy is going to have higher premiums than a universal life insurance policy. This is something you should definitely consider and discuss with your agent when you are converting your policy. You can convert either the whole amount of your term policy or just a portion of it. For instance, if your policy paid $1 million death benefit, you may only convert half of it, meaning $500,000, to permanent life insurance. And that's all going to depend on your needs and your budget. So while term insurance is great when you and your family are younger and you need a lot of coverage at an affordable price, so converting over to permanent life insurance may be a better option for you, not only because of the lifelong coverage, but also because of some of the benefits that come along with permanent life insurance, such as building cash value, which you can eventually use in a variety of ways. You can borrow from it or even use that cash value to help you pay your premiums. And another benefit is estate planning. Your death benefit will be paid to your beneficiary tax-free, allowing you to leave money to a loved one or loved ones as an inheritance or to help settle your estate. And the next benefit I want to talk about is something maybe you didn't even think about. And that is, you may use this coverage to help pay for your funeral arrangements and or any unpaid medical bills, credit card debt, or other end-of-life expenses that you may have left behind. Now, here's my final benefit, and this is something I hinted towards in the beginning of the video. If you have a medical issue or you're in poor health, you can convert to permanent life insurance without showing proof of insurability. That means you're not going to have to go through a medical exam or even answer any kind of medical questions when you're converting from term to permanent life insurance. And this is great because if you were applying for a completely new policy, you would at least have to answer medical questions, if not go through a complete medical exam. Okay, you guys, there we have it. That is a quick rundown of converting your term life insurance to permanent life insurance. I hope that answered your basic questions. If you have any more, let me know down in the comments. And real quick, before we wrap up, I want to let Luis know, one of my valued subscribers who asked me about Northwestern Mutual's dividend payment. And Currently, in the year 2023, Northwestern Mutual is paying a 5% rate on their dividends. Now, if you want to access that cash value, borrow from it, get a loan, or just let it be, that's going to be up to you. So you would want to speak to your personal agent or a Northwestern Mutual agent specifically about that, and they could give you much more details. And if you guys want to continue to get the best tips, facts, and honest information about life insurance, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.